Hello, so we want to solve this problem on the board. It says if t sub n is equal to minus 1 all power n plus 1. So we want to find t1, t2, t3. So from this, we want to find the value at which when n is equal to 1 and when n is equal to 2 and when n is equal to 3. So this is very simple. Solution. So from this now, t1 is equal to minus 1 or 1 plus 1, which is equal to what? Minus 1 power 2, which is equal to what? 1. Then t2. t2 is equal to minus 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to, so for this t2, now you'll be substituting the value of n for 2. No, I mean 2 for n. Minus 1 power what? 3. This is equal to minus 1. Then t3 is equal to minus 1 power 3 plus 1, which is equal to minus 1 all power 4, which is equal to 1. So t4 is equal to minus 1 power 4 plus 1 equal to minus 1 power 5 equal to minus 1, because this is odd, this is an odd number. Then the last one, which is t5, is minus 1 power 5 plus 1 equal to minus 1 power 6, which is equal to 1. As simple as that. So from here we have gotten our t1, t2, t3, t4, t5.